crucial meeting between Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Home Minister Amit Shah is over. Centre's assured that 500 ICU beds will be given out at the DRDO Centre. Another 250 beds will be arranged by the Centre following Delhi government's request there. In another crucial decision, the number of tests in the national capital will increase from 60 lakh to 1 lakh. 60,000 to 1 lakh, beg your pardon, in a day. In fact, this comes as Delhi reported 3,235 fresh COVID cases and 95 deaths in just the last 24 hours, taking the total cases to 4,85,405 and over 7,600 deaths.
इस वक्त सबसे ज़्यादा परेशानी जो हो रही है वो आईसीयू बेड्स को लेके है। हमने देखा कि पिछले कुछ दिनों में खासकर लगभग 20 अक्टूबर के बाद से केसेस बड़ी तेज़ी से दिल्ली के अंदर बढ़ने लगे हैं। तो बेड्स इस टाइम जो हैं वो तो फिर भी ठीक ठाक संख्या में हैं जो कोविड बेड्स हैं, लेकिन आईसीयू बेड्स जो हैं वो बहुत तेज़ी से वो एग्जॉस्ट होते जा रहे हैं। तो केंद्र सरकार ने आज एश्योरेंस दिया है कि वो जो डीआरडीओ का सेंटर है वहाँ पे अगले 2 दिन में 500 आईसीयू बेड्स उपलब्ध करा दिए जाएंगे और उसके अगले कुछ दिन में 250 और, तो लगभग 750 आईसीयू बेड्स वहाँ पे अवेलेबल हो जाएंगे।
We're cutting across to Tanushree Pandey joining us live for more. Tanushree, the meeting has ended. Key takeaways about 500 odd beds, ICU beds that will be made available at the DRDO Centre. Apart from that, what is it that the government is going to take steps towards ensuring COVID numbers are in control?
Well, Nabila, a slew of measures have been announced both by the centre and the state government of the national capital. Now, most importantly, the testing capacity of the RT-PCR COVID test will be increased in the national capital. About 1 to 1.5 lakh tests will be now conducted every day in Delhi. Now, the second most important measure being announced by Union Home Minister Amit Shah is that about 750 more beds will be now made available to the to the Dholikwa DRDO Centre, which is a COVID centre. Now, about there is a COVID center in Chhatarpur as well, which has 10,000 oxygen beds. So that capacity will also be increased. So the availability of ICU beds and the availability of oxygen beds will be increased in the national capital in all the hospitals. Apart from that, a few COVID centers in MCD COVID small clinics will be now turned into dedicated COVID centers for people who have mild to low symptoms of COVID. Now, apart from that, there is a shortage of doctors being felt in the national capital, and keeping that in mind, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has announced that Central Armed Police Force officials and the paramedical official members will be airlifted and they will be brought into Delhi so that this gap could be filled in, because we have been seeing many doctors are also falling sick because of COVID. They have been working in the COVID wards day in, day out, and that is one of the main reasons why Delhi is now facing an acute shortage of doctors as well. So the armed CAPF officials and the paramedical force will also be brought into the national capital. The number of beds will be increased in all the COVID centers and hospitals across Delhi. Apart from that, the testing capacity and the contact tracing will be increased in the national capital. As far as as of now, there is no restrictions being placed as far as shops or any or places being opened in the national capital. But these are some of the measures which the centre, the DRDO, the ICMR, and the state government had taken in order to bring the numbers down, which we have been seeing a spike in the national capital, a third wave of COVID in the national capital, and to get those numbers down, these are the slew of measures being taken by the centre and the state government. Nabila, back to you.
Right, Tanushree, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Here, this national capital, due to rising pollution levels, COVID numbers are going out of hand. At least 95 deaths reported and over 3,500 cases in just the last 24 hours. Here, Amit Shah, the Home Minister, trying to contain the spread of this virus, holds an emergency meet with Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Health Minister Harshvardhan. The meeting has just ended with some concrete plans in place.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.